Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your FPS on PS5. To begin, navigate to your PlayStation 5 main settings menu. From there, scroll down and select Screen and Video. Within this section, you'll find the video output options. This is where you can adjust the primary settings that influence your game's frame rate. We'll explore the two main modes available to optimize your gaming experience based on your preferences. Performance mode prioritizes a smoother gameplay experience by aiming for higher frame rates, often 60 frames per second or even 120 frames per second in compatible titles. While this mode offers incredibly fluid motion, it typically achieves this by rendering games at a slightly lower resolution. This means you might notice a small reduction in visual sharpness, but the trade-off is a much more responsive and enjoyable gaming session, especially in fast-paced action games. Conversely, resolution mode focuses on delivering the highest possible visual fidelity. When you select this option, your PlayStation 5 will prioritize rendering games at their native 4K resolution, showcasing stunning detail and crisp graphics. The trade-off here is usually a lower frame rate, often around 30 frames per second. This mode is ideal for players who prefer breathtaking visuals and intricate environments over the absolute smoothest gameplay. Perfect for slower-paced, graphically rich adventures. Remember that some individual games also offer their own in-game settings to fine-tune frame rates or visual quality. Always check both your console's system settings and the specific game's options for the best results. Ultimately, the choice between performance and resolution mode depends on your personal preference. Do you prioritize the silky smooth responsiveness of higher frame rates or the stunning clarity of a higher resolution? Experiment to find your perfect balance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.